Hi, this is a quick tutorial on how to link the tabs together, which is students at risk, with the original mark sheet where they have their names and IDs. I put in examples of names and IDs. And what we're going to do first is on this tab that what we need the names from, we're going to copy and paste the URL from the top. So we're going to copy the URL. Then we go to the grade 9 or to the students at risk tab, and we scroll to the very end. So we move to the very end, and then there are a few hidden columns, and our aim is the V column, the last column. Now we're working with V1. It's very important. They're working with only V1. Anything below V1 should be empty. And now you see names here. These are last year's names. So this is still linked to last year's Excel sheet. So what we need to do is we change it to this year's and to this tab. Don't type anything below here, because if we do type anything, it won't read anymore. It needs empty space as much as the number of columns you're going to import. So we're importing from grade 9. So the formula is already there. What you need to do is just look at the URL. So the URL is up there. We need to change this URL to this year's URL. So delete this and paste the new one. And then we've got 4 of these. So delete and paste and so on. Now, if you see here, after copying and pasting, if I click enter, we don't see the names, the samples we had. What happened here is we don't see the samples. We have copied from the grade 10 advanced. So 10 advanced has no names, but it's copying the student name up here. And the reason is because we have not put in the tab we want. So this is the URL, but not the tab. What my advice is to copy and paste the name of the tab. I strongly advise this because any change in the name, it won't read it. The Google won't be able to read. So what we're going to do is just the class grade 10 advanced, change it into grade 9 general and advanced. Still won't read because the rest we need to change them all as well. So then I'm going to change everything 9 to advanced and general, and exactly the same. It has to be exactly the same as the name on the tab. Now if I click enter, we will see example student 1, example student 2, and all the names come in from the sheets. And that is how we link them. And then after that, all I need to do is hide these just in case, so no one types in them by mistake or something happens. Thank you.